Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Amina. Today we are going to make a delicious raspberry lemonade. If you prefer an alcohol-free drink for your Valentine's Day dinner, this lemonade can be the perfect choice. Let's start with the ingredients. We need 1 frozen lemon, a half cup of frozen raspberries, 1 cup of sugar, and 6 cups of water. We prepared our blender for our delicious drink. Let's start to add our ingredients. First, add the lemons into the blender. Then, add a half cup of raspberries. And add 1 cup of sugar. Blend them until it's smoothie. Pour the smoothie into a big bowl. Then add the water and mix them together. Strain the mix into another bowl. As a last step, pour the lemonade in a decanter. If you like to drink cold lemonade, you can add some ice cubes also. I add all the details in the description below. When you try this recipe, please leave a comment. I would like to hear your experience and suggestions. If you like my video, give a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.